Hello, my respected elders and my dear friends. Today I am going to do activity tearing pasting work. At first I will tell you how to do this amazing activity. Let's start now. At first we need some colorful papers and tear it in small pieces. And we need scissor, glue, eraser, pencil and waste papers. Now at first we will take a paper, press our palm in this and draw our palm in this paper. Now I will put some glue on it. Now we will take these torn papers and paste here. Like this we will paste. See, I have done this. Now we will cut it with scissors. See, I have cut this in this shape. Now I will put some glue here and paste it here. Start on. Now I will paste this here. See, like this. I have pasted. Now I will make the grass. I will put glue and paste green papers. I have completed pasting now. Now I will cut it with scissors. I have finished cutting. Now I will put glue on the back and again paste it. I have completed putting glue and now I will paste it. I will make same like this. I have completed all the leaves pasting. Now I will paste the ground. I have completed my work. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Amrita Mukhopadhyay of Tapovan Research Institute of Education. I read in class 5. Today I am going to play my eye-hand coordination or Golu activity. In this activity, we have a board. I have drawn my friend Golu in this board, and we have some balls. Let's start the activity. I have completed my activity. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, I am Rashmita Odhikari of Standard 5 of Tapovan. Do we ever think about the activities of our brain? We know that each side of our brain is responsible for different actions and ways of thinking. Now let me find out which side of my brain is dominant, the left one or the right one. I have taken two containers on both of my sides. Now I will keep these paper balls in these containers, blindfolding my eyes.
Start.
Now I will check how many balls I have collected. My left container contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And my right container contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So, in this test, it is proof that my right brain is dominant. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Yadvarji, a student of class 5, Tapovan Research Institute of Education. Now I am doing the jumping activity. Right, left, hop, jump, hop, left, right, jump, spiral, hop, jump, right, left, hop, jump, hop, hop, right, left, hop, right, left, jump, left, right, left, right, Good. I have studied girl. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Mohar. I read in Standard 5 in Tapovan, a research institute of education in Purulia. Today I am going to narrate a story of Arabian Nights. Arabian Nights are the collection of stories that were very famous literary product of the classical Islamic civilization that was formed by the merging of Arabic culture with the great imperial tradition of the Eastern Mediterranean and the Persian Empire. These stories are full of imagination and fantasy. Now I am going to narrate a story that was very famous and interesting among the other tales of the Arabian Nights. Ali Baba and 40 Thieves. Once there lived a woodcutter in a village in Arabia. His name was Ali Baba. He was a very poor man. One day he was cutting trees beside a mountain nearby. Suddenly he heard a hoofing sound. So he climbed up the tree to watch carefully and seriously. He saw 40 men riding on the horseback moving towards the mountain. They all stopped before the huge mountain. One of them got down from the horseback and moved towards the huge rock in the mountain. He stretched his hand and cried out, "Open, Sinsin." The road opened with a noise of friction. There was a narrow path in the mountain which ended in a cave. All the men got down from the horseback and moved towards the huge rock in the mountain. They were carrying heavy bags on their back inside the cave. After all of them went inside, the door closed. Ali Baba watched all these in anxiety. After some time, all the men came out of the cave and rode back as they came. The door closed again. Ali Baba got down from the tree and walked slowly towards the mountain, towards the huge rock in the mountain. He also stretched his hand and cried out, "Open, Sim Sim." The door opened. Ali Baba went inside and saw lot of gems and jewels, gold, diamond and silver. He was in wonder because he had not seen such a huge amount of gems and jewels before. Ali Baba filled up a sack with lot of gems and jewels as quickly as he could and returned home. Ali Baba's wife was in a shock as she had not seen such a huge amount of gems and jewels before. Ali Baba wanted to measure the weight of the wealth. So his wife went to borrow the weighing machine from Qasim, Ali Baba's rich brother. As Qasim's wife was a suspicious woman, she applied gum at the bottom of the weighing machine and gave it to Ali Baba's wife. Ali Baba weighed. As Ali Baba weighed the coins, a gold coin stuck at the base. When Ali Baba's wife went to return the weighing machine to Qasim's wife, Qasim and Qasim's wife saw the gold coin stuck at the bottom of the base. They became very jealous. The next day, Qasim went to Ali Baba and learned the secret from Ali Baba and went near the huge rock in the mountain. He also stretched his hand and cried out, "Open, Sim Sim." The door opened. He went inside and he shouted in joy on seeing the wealth. Qasim shouted in joy, "All are mine from now." Qasim filled a sack with lot of gold and diamond and went near the rock door. But Qasim had forgotten the words "Open, Sim Sim" to open the door. So he got stuck inside the cave. After some time, the thieves arrived at the cave. When the chief of the thieves saw Qasim in the cave, the chief of the thieves asked his men to cut off Qasim's head and throw him outside the cave. Till as Qasim did not return home till the evening, Qasim's wife got worried. She went to Ali Baba and asked for help. Ali Baba went near the rock door and saw Qasim lying on the ground lifelessly. He took Qasim's body and went home. Qasim's wife thought that it was the punishment given by God for their greed. Ali Baba murmured something and wept for his dead brother. Thank you.